In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Reminder in ClickUp. If you've ever meant to follow up on a task and it slipped your mind, this feature is going to be your safety net. We'll walk through setting a reminder so it pops into your ClickUp inbox at exactly the right moment, helping you stay on top of what matters without extra mental load. First, open ClickUp in your web browser and sign in to your workspace. Once you're in, head to your space. A space is the top-level area that groups related work, like a department or project category. Choosing the right space helps you navigate to the tasks that actually need your attention. Inside the space, open either your board or your list view, depending on how you like to organize your work. The board gives you a Kanban-style layout for moving tasks through stages, while the list is great for a structured, detail-first look. Either view works perfectly for setting a reminder. Now, click on a task you want to remember to act on later. This could be anything you need to revisit: reviewing a document, checking a dependency, or following up with a teammate. Opening the task brings up the full task details. In the task window, look for the three-dot menu, often called the More Options menu. Click that to reveal additional actions specific to this task. From the menu, choose Remind Me in Inbox. This option tells ClickUp to deliver a nudge to your ClickUp inbox, which is the centralized place where you see notifications, reminders, and items assigned to you. It's ideal because it keeps your reminder inside the same workspace where you're already working, and it can also trigger app notifications if you have them enabled. Next, select the date and time for your reminder. Be thoughtful here. Choose a moment when you're most likely to act on it, like during your regular planning block or just before a deadline. Pay attention to your time zone settings if you work across regions, and consider leaving a small buffer before a due date so you can take meaningful action. Precision helps. Set it to the hour and minute that match your workflow. That's it. You've set a reminder for this task to appear in your inbox at the exact time you chose. If your schedule changes, you can return to the same three-dot menu and adjust the reminder timing to keep it aligned with your priorities. With this simple flow, open ClickUp, navigate to your space, choose your view, open a task, use the three-dot menu, select Remind Me in Inbox, and set the date and time. You'll never miss an important follow-up again.